Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy A15. And we'll go ahead and first thing first, and we need to go to our settings and then go to accounts and backup, and then go to manage accounts, and then go to your Google account and say remove account, and now this is done. So then we can go to general management and go to reset and then say reset, and then we have different options. We have reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, reset accessibility settings, and factory data reset. We want to do that. All data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, download apps, music, pictures, and all other user data, service provider apps and content, and the decryption key for files. So we will say reset, and now we need to enter our PIN to verify that it's us. So if you want to keep some data, you better go and store them on like an SD card, and then you can access that again on another device or on your computer or whatever else. So now it's shutting down, deleting all of the content, and then we will be back at the start where we can set our language. So now we're back and we get welcomed here again, and now we can, well, start fresh again. So that's how you can perform a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy A15. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.